Okay, today let's talk about this question. Find common characters. So basically, you are going to given an array of string that made from only from lowercase letters, and you have to return all the characters that show up in all the strings within the list, including the duplicates. For example, if a character occurs 3 times in all string but not 4 times, then you need to include all the characters 3 times in the final answer. For example, you have input this, and then all the string have E, right? And then you have return E, and all the string have 2 L's. You see, 2 L's, and then you have to return this 2 L. And for this one, you have this all have C and all have O, and then return this. And the restriction is like the length is smaller than 100, and okay, and each element's length is also smaller than 100, and each one is a lowercase letter. Let's go to the code. So basically here we're going to use the string in a smart way, and firstly we will create the answer. We will create answer content. We will use it later. And then we create a count. So this count have like a we'll take the 26 letters, and then so for each slot we make every slot have maximum value. So all the value is maximum, and then we scan the array, the string array, and get every single string, and then I create another integer array to hold another 26 characters, a chart. So this one, this 2, and for this single string, for every character, I will count the character. So what's the meaning of this? So when C when C minus A, so it means like in the ACES code, so C and A has its own ACES code, and when you when you minus each other, they will have like 3. So in this way, I will enhance one points in this in this slot, like initially here is all 0, right? It's all 0, and then if we have one, if we find so the C is the character in the string. So for all the character that show up, we have the we will add 1 in the slot. For example, Bella. So for the Bella, we will have 1 here. The E equals maybe a 1 here, and the L is 2, and the A is 1. So that is what we are doing here, and then we follow the whole slot here, and count all the and compare the current integer array and the global integer array, which is this one. This is the global one, and we find the minimum. So the minimum is always the common. The minimum is always common characters in all the possibilities in the input. And finally, after we finish this step, then we go through all the strings, and then we finally update the global integer, and then we count from A to Z, and also you use this way. So when you see minus A, so it is the sequence. I mean the rank of the rank of this characters count in the in this integer array. And when you find any count is larger than 0, it means that that character is shown up in every single string in the input, and then you add them together. So this is the answer.